Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset the auto adjust in CapCut Mobile. So the auto adjust in CapCut is only for the CapCut Pro user. So if you accidentally use it, but you are on the CapCut free, you cannot export your video because here you can see there is a uh pro tax on the top of my CapCut, which means that I use a pro feature on CapCut. So when I try to export my project, I cannot do that because I on the free CapCut and I need to unlock the pro to save it. So here I'm going to show you how you can reset the auto adjust. So you need to go to adjust in here, or you can just, so after you go to adjust, there will be this auto adjust that I added before. And to reset it, you can just click on delete actually, or you can just click on adjust again. And here there will be a reset button at the bottom corner. Just click on reset, click on confirm. And just like that, the pro will be disappear and I can easily export my project. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.